Let's walk through how to use PreTool to set up our Fusion libraries to work seamlessly with Toolpath. First, let's talk about presets. What are they and why do they matter? Tool presets are cutting parameters saved to tools in Fusion tool libraries. They have three key advantages: consistent feeds and speeds, programming is easier, and they allow you to refine how Toolpath uses your tools through cut configs. In the Fusion tool library, presets are accessed through the Tool Library Manager. You can see them when selecting a tool and edit them in the Cutting Data tab. You can imagine building presets for every operation for every one of your tools can take some time, which is why we've created PreTool. PreTool automatically applies presets for each type of machining operation used by Toolpath to your tool library quickly and easily. Let's jump over to PreTool by clicking this button on the Tools page of Toolpath. You can also access it by typing it in the URL. PreTool currently supports three materials: wrought aluminum, like 6061, low carbon steel 1018, and stainless steel. The presets generated by PreTool are based on an accessible production machine. Think of a Haas VF2 with a Cat 40 spindle and moderate to high rigidity work holding. If you're running a very high torque machine, you might be able to push harder than these feeds and speeds. If you're on a lower torque machine, these speeds might be a little aggressive. You can always edit these presets in Fusion Tool Library, or chat with the Toolpath customer success team about getting set up. Expect to see more options and materials added to PreTool in the future. Now you know you want these sweet presets, so let's go through an example of how to use PreTool to apply presets to your Fusion tool library. First, I'll jump over to Fusion and open up my tool library. Here I have Brothers Speedio library with tooling that I use for both aluminum and steel with all sorts of different flute sizes. Right now it only has the default settings, but we're going to change that by applying presets using PreTool. We'll start by selecting all of our tools in the library and right-clicking Copy Tools. Now let's jump over to PreTool. We'll select Import and in our case, Paste from Clipboard. So now we can see all of our tools and the current presets associated with them. Let's filter these end mills by flute count so we can split up our library into aluminum-specific tools. This feature is a little hidden at the moment, so don't miss this. I'll click on the column that says Number of Flutes and click Filter. We will set our filter mode to smaller or equal to 3 flutes. We can see in the background our list has updated automatically. Let's close this window and now get ready to generate presets that will work seamlessly with Toolpath. Let's click the big orange button that says Generate Feeds and Speeds. Select our material as aluminum. Let's uncheck Keep Existing Presets to clean up all of the default settings. Set our max RPM to 12,000. And once it's all set, I'll hit Generate, and PreTool will instantly apply aluminum presets to these tools. Now if we just had some generic tools, we could be done and simply export our library. But I want to show you one more feature that lets us control our presets even further. Let's say we have some specific finishing end mills, and we don't want any roughing presets applied to them. Well, that's easy. We'll just click the tool title and filter. Let's search for finisher, and now we can simply select the presets we don't want and click delete. Toolpath will now use this tool only for finishing. Once we're happy with those edits, we can click export and download our configured tool library as either a tools, JSON, or CSV file. And in a matter of just a few minutes with the help of PreTool, we've configured our tool library for aluminum to work seamlessly with Toolpath. Stay tuned as we dive into how to upload tool libraries in the next video.